sometimes you don't have a ton of room to work around. So for this, I like to use this little roller cage and pole. It's got a nice foam grip, and it does extend quite a bit. Like this extends out if you need it. But for this, I don't have much room at all, so I'm just going to use it at its smallest length. Because I like just a continuous flow up and down. So these will run about $10 or so, these paint poles. You can see that works pretty good for doing a section that I don't have that much room to work around. But then what's nice is I can also just stretch it out and do a higher section. So that's what I do when I don't have much room to work.